Welcome to our new series, Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein, Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good.
Today we're going to show you how to make our Muttar Paneer Fritters, which have 376 calories per portion and 32 grams of protein. To start off with, we're going to boil 160 grams of frozen peas. Once that's boiled in a large bowl, add your paneer and peas and lightly mash them together. We've gone for ala apatina paneer because this has a high quantity of protein and low amount of fat in the paneer. To this we're going to add half a courgette which we've grated, along with 45 grams of chickpea flour. We're also going to go in with 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 3 tablespoons of water. We're then going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then to season it, some salt, chili powder, ground cumin and turmeric powder. Give that all a really good mix to make sure those ingredients are evenly distributed. To this we're going to add a small bunch of chopped coriander. Again, mix this really well. Once that's mixed through, we're going to portion it into 6 fritters. Once that's done, you can get ready to pan fry these fritters. So in a large non-stick pan, we're going to spray with some oil spray and then add the fritters to the pan. It'll take a few minutes to cook on each side, and once they're cooked on each side, you can flip them over and press them down. Before flipping them over, we're just going to lightly spray with some oil spray to prevent it from sticking. This is a great dish for meal prep, and don't forget, if you want more recipes like this, hit that like and subscribe button and comment below on what you want to see next. As we're flipping them over, we're lightly pressing down on the cooked side. Once they're all flipped over, again leave them to cook for another few minutes. Whilst the fritters finish cooking, we're going to work on 2 very quick yogurt dips. So in a first bowl, we're going to add 100 grams of yogurt, and we've gone with 5% phage yogurt again because it's got a great protein content, and to this we've added some water and some sugar. Give that a good mix, and then in a separate bowl we've gone in with another 100 grams of yogurt and add 1 tablespoon of Maggi chili sauce. Again, give that a good mix and leave that to one side till later. And there you have it, delicious Muttar Paneer Fritters with a sweet and spicy yogurt dip. These have 32.2 grams of protein per serving, and if you want more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.